Hey guys, Nomos12 here. Today we have a Casablanca Panama ceiling fan. It's an XTR and I have no clue what it's dated, but I got it for Christmas along with two broans, and it's off of eBay from Jack Miner, I think. So here's low one. It's 4-speed. Decent performer, 20 degree blade pitch. Here's low 2. I would think of the 5th blade or bracket. And somehow it fits in the closet. It's medium. Not too much of a difference between medium and high. It's a decent performer. Here's one of the broans. There's 2 of them. I kind of stored this in this glass night. Pretzel brackets, the brown type. I'll probably show you that later. Anyway, thanks for watching.